My meeting went so well.
You can ring the fish doorbell?
Oh my god. Chock-a-block is so hectic.
I have just found a very weird and cool thing on the internet. I feel like it just brings back my hope in humanity. Essentially, there are a whole bunch of fish in these canals in the Netherlands. I don't know how to pronounce his name. It's like Utrecht? I'm not sure, but they know somehow to go to this place to migrate, to like get through the canal sort of thing. This little lock that opens to let them through, it doesn't open very often. And so they've put this live stream on the internet, and you can, when you see a fish waiting, like there's a little camera at the lock. When you see a fish waiting, you can ring the fish doorbell and let the operator know to open the little lock for these fish, which I just think is so wholesome. I've seen one little fish swim past, which is just so much fun. No one's waiting at the lock yet, but yeah, I don't know. I just think this is so fun. I just think it's such a wholesome thing that I've found. So this is what the live stream looks like. It looks pretty boring when there's no fish swimming past, but this little pink thing on the side, that's the doorbell that you ring when you see fish. And I just think it's so much fun. I saw one fish swim past before, but I haven't seen any since. I'm not sure many fish are swimming around at the moment. We've decided that this area of the living room could be better. So we're going to take the telly off the wall, we're going to put it on this wall just here, and we're going to move the couch around, and hopefully it opens up the space a little bit and works a little bit better. It is Tuesday. I have just really been slacking on the weekly vlogs. I'm just so preoccupied with this thing. Like, I know I hate not being able to tell you, but once it's done and finalized and hopefully it happens. Cosmo, come on up. Hi, Moan. I feel like I'm not prioritizing YouTube right now because I have so many other big things in the works, and I feel like this is kind of falling behind, which is so sad because I love making videos and editing videos and being able to look back at my life. It makes me really sad that I feel like I don't have enough time for this anymore. I don't know, I think maybe just these next couple of months are going to be so hectic, and so I might not be as consistent on here, I guess. Today is currently Tuesday the 26th of March. There is no way that I'm going to have time to do a monthly reset this month, and maybe even next month as well. Like, it is just chock-a-block, so hectic every single day, which I love, but some things have to fall behind. I don't know if any of that made sense or why I'm even chatting about it. Got a very exciting little morning today. I'm going out for a couple of hours. It's to do with this thing, and if it all goes well, then we will be another step further in the process. I just said a lot without really saying anything, didn't I? I guess what I'm trying to say is I'm feeling a little bit, I don't think lost is the right word, but a bit like I'm not sure how many eggs to put in each basket of my life. Like, I'm not sure if I'm putting too many or too little like effort and time and energy into certain things. I know I definitely need to put like 80% of my time and energy into this big thing that we're doing. I really, really love vlogging and filming and everything like that, but I feel like I just don't have the time, and that makes me so sad because I've built this little channel for 3 years and now all of a sudden I'm just gonna like not, like I don't think I could just not do it. I don't know, what do you guys want to see? I really like cooking and like being in the kitchen, but do you guys like recipes? Do you like the cleaning content? If it wasn't a weekly vlog, what would you like to watch from me? I don't know. Anyway, it's 8:15. I better get going, and yeah, I'll chat to you later. Hopefully I have something more interesting to say, or if I'm doing anything interesting, I don't know. Oh, actually, yesterday when I got home, let me show you. Oh, Cosmo just ran away. Oh, I nearly fell. Oh my God. No, no. Yesterday when I got home, I saw this. Ziggy had ripped up my thong. So I need to go get some new thongs. Is this you? Bye. Hi, Zig. Let's go run. Hi, Zig. What a good song!
Woke up this morning from the strangest dream. Head of a story on a holy grail. I have loved you since we were 18. Like you made me feel.
Oh my God, my meeting went so well. I don't even know why I turned the camera on. I have no words. I'm equally excited and terrified. I'm so excited. I really, really, really hope this all works out because I have everything like built up in my heart that this is gonna happen. But if it doesn't happen, I'm gonna be absolutely devastated. And oh, I really want this so bad. And you won't hear the end of it when I can finally tell you. If I can finally tell you, I don't know yet. But yeah, I'm gonna go buy a pair of thongs because Ziggy ripped mine up yesterday. Might I just say, it is a million times better when one of your favorite songs comes on the radio. So good. I just got home and from Kmart I got 2 books. I got Addicted to You by Krista and Becca Ritchie, and I got To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. I've never read this one and it's meant to be a classic, so I'm definitely keen for that. I have so many books that I've bought that I haven't read, and I really shouldn't have bought these. I was bad. I have at least 10 books that I haven't read that I've bought, but I think buying books is such a different hobby than reading them, and I love buying them. I hate to say it, but I love being a consumer. Cute covers though. And they didn't have any thongs at all. So I got these little, what would you even call them, sandals? I'm not really a sandal person, but I need something for the beach. Like it's still, oh, let me just complain about the weather for a second. If you don't like it, skip past 20 seconds, but I need to vent. It is the end of March and we are still in the 30s. It is so hot for this time of year. I'm over it. There should be maybe like 1 week of 30 degrees in the middle of summer, like 30 plus, and then that's it. But we've had 30 degrees probably from about, I'd probably say start of October, and it's now the end of March. It has been 6 months of summer, essentially, and I'm over it. I'm so over it. Anyway, there's my weather rant. a Monday and Rowan's going to take me on his bike around the little beach lighthouse route, so I'm very, very excited. I'm just holding my thing here so you can't see the logo of the place that I work. Yeah, it's going to be such a fun day. I've only got a 3 or 4 hour shift, so we're going to do a little motorbike ride, I'm going to do my shift, and then we're going to go for a beach swim. And today is the day that I post a weekly vlog, so since I'm doing all this stuff, it might be up a little bit later, but yeah, I've got my hair in my like motorbike hair. Rowan's gonna redo it because I don't know how to plait my hair from the back. If I don't put my hair like this when I'm on the motorbike, then it gets like twisted and tangled and it just gets like matted up, and there's absolutely no way I can fix it before work. So this is the best thing that I've found, but I really need to work on my hairstyles. And